Coffee is the world's favorite morning ritual, but for millions over the age of 60, it's secretly draining their strength instead of building it. Surgeons now warn that caffeine mixed with sugar and creamers can actually speed up muscle loss. But new research reveals a fix. Add the right natural ingredients, and your daily cup turns into a muscle-rebuilding medicine. Stay tuned, because the final addition in this list has been shown to boost senior muscle strength by over 40%. Yet almost no one outside Asia even knows about it. Number 1. Cinnamon. Most people think of cinnamon as just a dessert spice, but when you stir it into your morning coffee, it becomes a powerful metabolic shield for aging muscles. Research shows that cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and boost circulation. 3 critical factors for keeping your muscles nourished and strong. When blood sugar levels swing too high or too low, your muscles are starved of steady energy, leading to weakness and fatigue over time. But cinnamon helps smooth those spikes, feeding your muscles a consistent energy supply throughout the day. Just a small sprinkle, especially Ceylon cinnamon, known as the true cinnamon, can make your coffee work for your strength instead of against it. It's proof that sometimes the smallest change creates the biggest transformation. But if you want to go beyond energy control, the next addition targets muscle recovery from the inside out. Number 2. Unsweetened cocoa powder. Cocoa isn't just for hot chocolate. It's a muscle recovery powerhouse hiding in plain sight. Rich in flavonols and antioxidants, cocoa helps widen blood vessels, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach tired or aging muscles. This improved circulation not only speeds up recovery, but also supports endurance, making daily activity feel lighter and smoother. Its natural anti-inflammatory effects ease post-workout soreness and stiffness, which often last longer as we age. When blended with caffeine, cocoa creates a 1-2 punch. Caffeine activates your nervous system for alertness, while cocoa enhances oxygen flow for recovery. Together, they build a steady energy that lasts for hours without the sugar crashes of flavored coffee drinks. But while cocoa helps muscles heal and blood flow thrive, the next addition takes things even further, transforming stored fat into clean, sustainable fuel for your body and brain. Number 3. Coconut oil, or MCT oil. In parts of Japan and Southeast Asia, many older adults start their mornings by stirring coconut oil or MCT oil into their coffee, and the results are remarkable. This simple daily ritual delivers hours of clean, steady energy that outlasts any sugar-filled creamer or artificial boost. Instead of jittery highs and crashes, it provides smooth, consistent fuel that supports focus and endurance all morning long. These healthy fats are rapidly converted into ketones, a clean-burning energy source that powers both muscles and brain cells without raising blood sugar. It's a smarter, more sustainable way to stay active and alert, especially as metabolism naturally slows with age. The result is sharper thinking, better stamina, and fewer afternoon slumps. Start small. Just 1 teaspoon daily is enough. Over time, your body learns to burn fat more efficiently, keeping your muscles energized all day. And while MCT oil fuels your energy, the next ingredient feeds your muscles directly. Number 4. Milk or soy milk. For years, many people avoided adding milk to their coffee, thinking it would weaken the flavor or cancel out the benefits. But new studies reveal the opposite. Adding milk or fortified soy milk can actually turn your morning brew into a mini protein shake that supports strength and muscle recovery. It's one of the easiest ways to give your coffee real nutritional power without changing your routine. After 60, your body becomes less responsive to protein signals, meaning you need more amino acids to spark muscle growth. Milk provides leucine, the key amino acid that flips the body's muscle-building switch and helps reverse age-related muscle decline. Just half a cup adds 4 to 6 grams of high-quality protein, enough to make every sip work toward rebuilding your strength instead of draining it. And while milk builds protein, the next ingredient repairs the scaffolding that holds your muscles and joints together. Number 5. Collagen powder. Surgeons often call collagen the body's glue, and for good reason. It forms the foundation of your tendons, joints, and muscle tissue. But after 60, collagen production naturally declines by about 1% each year, leading to stiffness, soreness, and slower recovery after even light activity. Adding just 1 scoop of collagen powder to your coffee can make a powerful difference. It provides around 10 grams of pure, easily absorbed protein that helps rebuild joints, strengthen connective tissue, and repair worn muscle fibers from the inside out. Collagen coffee is flavorless, dissolves instantly, and is surgeon-approved for supporting joint recovery and bone health. Collagen restores what age takes away, but to truly rebuild muscle mass. The next addition delivers raw anabolic fuel. Number 6. Whey protein, unflavored. By your 60s, your muscles naturally become less responsive to protein, a process known as anabolic resistance. This silent shift makes it harder to build or even maintain lean strength, no matter how active or disciplined you are. Traditional meals often don't provide enough fast-absorbing protein to trigger the body's repair response, leaving muscles undernourished and slow to recover. That's where whey protein comes in. Rich in leucine, the amino acid that directly switches on muscle protein synthesis, whey cuts through anabolic resistance and reignites muscle growth. A single scoop mixed into your morning coffee delivers a rapid stream of amino acids that rebuild and strengthen tissue from the inside out. Whey protein proves that muscles don't fade because of age, they fade from lack of the right fuel. And speaking of fuel, the next addition powers your entire system, from digestion to brain clarity. Number 7. Ground chia seeds. Tiny but mighty, chia seeds are among the most underrated muscle-building foods on Earth. When finely ground and stirred into your morning coffee, they release a concentrated mix of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and plant-based protein, a trio that strengthens muscles, reduces inflammation, and supports long-lasting energy. These tiny seeds were once prized by ancient warriors for endurance, and modern science now backs up their power. Their omega-3s help keep joints supple and flexible, while the fiber slows caffeine absorption, preventing the energy crash that often follows your morning cup. The result is smoother focus, better digestion, and steady stamina throughout the day. It's a small, natural upgrade that delivers big results for both strength and recovery. But if you think that's powerful, just wait. The final ingredient is ancient, golden, and scientifically proven to reverse inflammation and rebuild strength from the ground up. Number 8. Turmeric with a pinch of black pepper. This golden spice isn't just for curry. Turmeric is one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatories. Its active compound, curcumin, helps ease joint pain, protect arteries, and even restore muscle performance after strain or inactivity. For older adults, that means better mobility, faster recovery, and stronger workouts. But here's the secret most people miss. Your body can barely absorb curcumin on its own. When paired with black pepper, the compound piperine increases absorption by up to 2,000%, unlocking turmeric's full healing potential. Together, turmeric and black pepper don't just reduce pain, they shield your muscles, brain, and heart from chronic inflammation, the silent force that accelerates aging and drains your strength over time.